Eyes are very sensitive organs and proper eyesight is very essential in tactical scenarios. Activities like hunting, extreme sports, shooting, and military exercises require special protection for your eyes. This is where tactical sunglasses can provide an extra layer of protection for you and enhances your tactical performance. There are so many available options in the market, but based on build quality, safety, and other protective features, we have made a video about the best 5 tactical sunglasses so that you can choose one for yourself. So let's dive into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Designed with ear cup hearing protection and communications devices, Crossbow Suppressor One is able to provide special protection for your eyes on your range visits, firearm shootings, or tactical missions, and provides the best value for the money you spend. Its 2.4mm polycarbonate high retention lens is interchangeable and has an advanced clear zone flow coat lens treatment that prevents fogging and scratches to preserve your lens quality. With a universal fit system, it features Z-bend geometry with its ultra-thin temple arms, which keeps noise out by minimizing the effect on the padded seal of your ear cups. Its slim temples eliminate the hot spots and pressure points that commonly occur when normal eyewear is worn. Therefore, it is very comfortable for you to wear. These lenses offer 100% UVA and UVB protection to shield your eyes from harmful rays during tactical situations. These glasses are compliant with the US Federal OSHA, ANSI Z87.1+, CEEN 166, and US Military PRF 31013 safety standards. If you're looking for a pair of great tactical sunglasses that has the best value for money and at the same time is comfortable with top-of-the-line safety standards, go for the Crossbow Suppressor One. With a solid plastic frame for tactical use, the Wiley Oakley features great security and impact safety for your eyes. It is a part of the Wiley X's Active series and is a great option for those needing a larger fit. It has a very lightweight frame made of plastic and acetate with rubber temples for maximum comfort. Its shatterproof selenite smoke gray lenses are made of polycarbonate, which provides super glare reduction without distorting colors. Therefore, these glasses perform excellent in bright or glare condition with 12 to 14% light transmission. These lenses have T-shell coatings which resist minor scratching in extreme environments along with 100% UVA, UVB protection, and you get a clear, distortion-free viewing experience. Its lenses meet the ANSI Z87.1 high velocity and high mass impact standards as well as US Federal OSHA 1910.133 standards. Therefore, you can be sure of the fact that your eyes are protected during any tactical situation. If you're looking for the best plastic frame tactical sunglasses out there, get the Wiley Oakley Smoke Gray. They're great for tactical and military purposes and will not disappoint you. With With its lightweight and durable frame, superior optics and high-velocity impact lenses, Gatorz Magnum tactical handcrafted military sunglasses are very popular among US military elite special operations groups including Navy SEALs, law enforcement personnel, along with skydivers, functional fitness athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. Its proprietary true-ray optic lens technology greatly enhances your visual clarity so that you can experience crystal clear, glare-free vision, and its impact-resistant lenses are made of polycarbonate. With a 7075 military-grade aluminum frame, it is very lightweight, and the frame features 5 stainless dual-sided barrel hinges with the classic 4-rivet system, and you can adjust its frame and nose piece. These lenses have anti-fog, anti-scratch, and air coating. With partially polarized lenses, these sunglasses are able to provide 100% UV protection for your eyes. Therefore, wearing them is very comfortable. With all these functional features, these tactical sunglasses are ANSI C87 Plus certified. Therefore, in every tactical situation, you get a sense of safety for your eyes. If you want a handcrafted pair of tactical sunglasses for you that has a durable frame, superior optics, and reliability, go for the Gatorz Magnum Tactical Handcrafted Military Sunglasses. With high performance, ultra badass aluminum construction, and easy customizable fit, the Outlaw Eyewear Fugitive Tac is a sunglass that is just great for tactical use and motorcycling. It has shatter-resistant 2mm thick polycarbonate lenses that are able to provide 100% protection from UV rays. Besides, they have anti-reflective HD boost and glare reduction coatings. Therefore, you have maximum protection and comfort in tactical situations. Its strong and lightweight aluminum frame has a corrosion-resistant finish and tempered temple tips tangled for comfort under a helmet. Besides, its intense squarish lens shape is modern, yet extremely protective against strong wind, dust, and the sun. These sunglasses have dual hinges which make them sturdier, comfortable, and reliable. For a precision tune fit, this entire frame is adjustable, and it comes with a soft cleaning cloth and a hard case for easy carrying. For your safety, it maintains ANSI Z87.1 2015, which is a high-velocity impact protection standard. If you want a pair of great tactical sunglasses from an industry-recognized leader in motorcycle sunglass design, then the Outlaw Eyewear men's Fugitive Tac Black frame with gray polarized lenses will be a great choice for you. Composed of a frame, gasket, and a goggle, the #1 place in our list is earned by Oakley SI Ballistic M-Frame Alpha sunglasses. It delivers top-notch optical clarity and protection with the modular versatility for tactical situations and beyond. Its 3mm thick lenses use prism technology with a composite construction. With an SI Ballistic M-Frame, it features a very lightweight yet sturdy design to accept the challenge of any kind of tactical situation. It features a non-slip unobtainium nose pad, and its thin stems work well with over-ear hearing protection and communication systems of different helmets. It comes with an anti-fog recharge kit, a small microfiber bag, M-frame retention lanyard, and SI strongbox. Its rugged frame and lens also meet mil-spec standards for impact protection. In addition to that, these tactical sunglasses meet or exceed high mass and high velocity impact requirements as per ANSI Z87.1 standard. If you need the best tactical sunglasses with a design founded on the modularity and scalability, go for the standard issue Ballistic M-frame Alpha sunglasses. It has all the features you will be needing during a tactical situation. So that was all about the best 5 tactical sunglasses just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.